then. Now lean, then. Turn around and turn around and now wiggle, 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 wiggle. Play dead like dead. Strike a pose like dead.
Make me sweat, make me happy, make me lose my bet sa Maragusa.
So yun, sobrang excited ako dahil another provinces na mapupuntahan and more adventures. Kaso medyo ano lang ako ngayon dahil kakagaling ko lang sa operation. So medyo limited lang yung movements ko.
So ayun na nga, last night, medyo nagkainitan po tayo. No? Pero kasi ano ba, medyo expected naman na matatarget kami nito. Pero masyado lang siguro for me na napaaga.
So ang ating game ay tinatawag na Poker Pairs. Previously on the Davao's Plan, the group faced the second main match of the season.
No.
Okay. Rejected. Kung saan sinet in motion ng expedition leader na si Byron ang Big Alliance of 8.
Group nila Jive, yan sila. They also deserve to win. So gagawin ko na 4-4, tapos yung last group, 2 tsaka Tig 1.
Na sina Byron, Molen, Chano, Kyle, Jive, Robbie, Friday, at Carl. Alienating Team Tagum members Aid, JB, Dirk, and Sai.
Kasi sayang, pero okay na yan. Nakita mo ba yung good karma, yun know. Kami dalawa. Kung kami talaga ang swerte sa trip na yun.
Pero sa ikalawang round, Sai spoiled Byron and Molen's continued dominance.
Pag even si Molen, pag odd si Byron.
Which later forced an angry expedition leader Byron to alienate Sai and Dirk again in the final round.
Si Sai, sinong gusto sumali kay Sai? I think ikaw. Sino ba? Sai and Dirk.
8 players ang down to their last piece, their last life in the game. Moment of truth. Final round of Poker Pairs starts now.
Pwede, good choice mo naman.
No, pwede naman.
Sabi ni Chana kayo na nasa akin.
Just arrange yourselves.
So kung dito ka, pwede ba ako sa gitna nyo?
Ganon.
It's the same thing. Ipayagan ka niya, papayagan ko din siya na tumabi sa akin.
May choice ba silang may reject ba?
Basta si pag nakaupo na kayo, lock na.
My God! My God! Ang compression sa Pilipinas.
Kung sinong may 2 of clubs, please acknowledge yourself.
Me again.
Aid has the 2 of clubs. Aid has the first say.
Carl.
Sige, go. Pabilisin natin. I accept.
You accept, alright. Aid and Carl. Robbie.
Si Jive.
Finally, I accept.
Accept.
Doon ako.
Friday.
I choose to go home. I choose you.
Dirk, do you accept or reject?
Friday.
Reject.
Reject. You have been rejected. Sai.
Reject.
Reject. Friday. Sai rejected your proposal. Choose.
I choose Chano.
Chano, wala ka ng reject power. So, automatic. Chano and Friday.
I'm going to go with my pair. I choose Byron.
Byron, do you accept?
I don't have any power anymore.
Wala ka ng power. Dirk, sino gusto mo maging partner? Si Kyle, si Sai, or si Molen? Sai, wala ka ng reject power. Sai, Dirk, magtabi na kayo. Kyle and Molen, that means you're the last pair.
Yun naman talaga.
Aid and Carl, please reveal your card and kung may 5 cards kayo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, that's correct. 5 cards.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9 straight.
5, 6, 7, 8 times straight. 5 cards.
I don't have any.
Friday and Chano. Wala kayong nabuo. Friday and Chano. Chano, you're down to 2 lives. And Friday, unfortunately for you, you are the first person eliminated in the Devil's Plan. Please pack your bags and leave the resort. Bye, Friday. Thank you for playing the Devil's Plan Davao Edition.
It's so sad. I feel like I've been strategic naman. Socially, I think I'm well connected. It came down to luck and strategy. Strategy. So. Ayun, so I am the first eliminated player. Sadly, hindi ko makontrol yung luck. Well, technically, kaya ko i-control. Strategically, proud naman ako sa game ko. Unfortunately, sa luck, doon lang tayo minalas. Pero alam mo, parang nabunutan din ako ng tinik kasi I really at first, I was looking forward sa game. Pero, I know, parang maraming I was parang out of my head kasi marami din akong nakaalitan the past few days. So parang it's weird to play with them. Nabunutan din ako ng dinig. So, ayun. It sucks lang na first player ako. Of course, I really wanted to win. I'm competitive by nature. I really like the challenges. Ayun lang. Good luck sa players and thanks to Ivan and Rhea.
Expected naman, parang tinanggap na kasi namin na may matatanggal talaga. Ano na lang, kunaan na lang kung sino talaga yung matatanggal. And swertihan mo sa pagpili. Naswertihan lang talaga din na nung twice kami nag-pair ni Dirk, may pair kami nakuha, and then nung sa last part na, may pair na may jack pa siya, so super swerte. And nung trinay nila kaming piliin, doon na lang lumabas yung strategy namin na may reject pa kami. And then, dun sa sitting arrangement din kasi, kasama sa strategy na kailangan on both ends kami nung dalawang team na nung tig-isang team. Para iikot agad sa amin and mapili namin yung isa.
Turk and Sai, please show your cards.
Pair and jack.
Turk and Sai are safe. JB and Byron, please show your cards. Jack, they're safe. Byron, they're safe. Molen and Kyle, you're the last one. Flash. Molen and Kyle are safe. Which means we're down to 11 players.
I'm just very happy and I'm talking to a lot of people para magkaroon ng alliance. So currently, Maragusan and Macau, we have this team alliance.
Byron, as the expedition leader for day 2, please choose your co-captain.
Ivan asked me to choose someone. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung purpose nun. Bila so iniisip ko baka magiging kakampi ko. So I chose John Bryan or si JB.
Byron and JB are the captains. Byron and JB, you're going to divide the group into 2. So it's a schoolyard pick. Byron is...
Siyempre sa kanya talaga ako, aside sa mga teammates ko now, sa kanya talaga ako nagko-connect the most. Tapos gusto ko yung vibe ni JB, sobrang chill lang, same kami. Pinili ko siya because I know na kapag magkakampi kami, we can go really far. Only to find out na magiging leader pala siya ng other group.
Feel betrayed.
Pero sino unang pipili? Si Byron?
Nasaan ako overall kasi instead of maging asset ko siya, naging liability pa nga, and now kalaban, and possibly matalo niya pa kami. Now, medyo kalmado ako kasi naisip ko naman na if ever manalo sila, and if ever pipili siya ng may eliminate just like the previous days, I'm very sure na hindi niya ako pipili.
Alright, Byron, choose who you want to be your teammate, housemate, and Mati mate, because we're going to Mati. Molen, you'll be part of Byron's room. JB.
Strategic lang to. I choose Chano.
Chano, you will be part of JB's group and JB's house. Jive, you will be part of Byron's group and Byron's house.
Okay lang.
Okay lang, pero nalilitik ka.
Okay lang. Piliin mo.
I choose Robbie.
Robbie.
Sai sa akin.
Sai.
I choose
Aid. Kyle, you're part of Byron's Villa. And JB, Carl or Dirk?
Ano ba?
Sabi ni Sol, listen to us.
Go! Ano? Magkakasama tayo
Magkakampi kayo sa games, ha?
Kung hindi nila pipiliin, ayaw nila.
Pinakinggan ni Team Captain JB ang kanyang mga members na si Robbie at Chano kung sino ang pipiliin between Carl or Dirk.
Go!
It's the skirt not ending. No, but before magsabi sila, sino ang
Ikaw na ba?
gusto ko mag-fish ng info if without Robbie and Chano telling what to do, ano ang choice?
As a leader, as a captain.
Wait lang, JD mo.
Hindi, as a good leader, kailangan marunong ka rin makinig sa
But
mga.
initially lang, sino lang? We just wanna know. Initially, sino?
Hindi kami nga magsasabi. Initially, I want Carl kasi naka-group ko na siya and he's very analytical. Ikaw? Ako.
Analytical.
Si Dirk.
So, mas pinili ni Robbie si Carl over me dahil analytical daw si Carl. Excuse me, analytical din kaya ako, malakas lang din talaga yung boses ni Carl.
Don't get me wrong, pinili ko si Carl kasi mas may working relationship kami sa Minis before. Mas aligned siguro kami in terms of strategy and everything.
You're analytical,
But siguro in the near future, si Dirk naman ang pipiliin ko next time.
Pero yun, nag-strategize din naman ako. Tignan na lang natin sa mga susunod na round.
Chano,
Si Dirk kasi para may tagabantay ng gamit. At saka, malakas kasi mulit si Carl.
okay, I choose Carl.
Carl. JB. Carl. Carl, you'll be part of JB's group, which means Dirk, you will be part of Byron's group. Alright? Later that night, lahat ng mga players na may One Piece ay pinatawag sa prison.
Welcome to the prison.
Ikaw ay pinatapon dito dahil nanganganib na ang buhay mo sa gilid.
Pero bibigyan kita ng isang pagkakataon for a salvation.
Isulat mo lang ang tingin mong password sa dungeon. Get the salvation you need.
You have 20 minutes. Let's go Bermudez.
Bermudez is wrong.
Out of nowhere, I think it is.
Kublai is wrong.
Na page na is Rhea.
Girl is wrong.
Pinakita yung lang kakwenta ko, pinag-isipan like boy band PH, Davos.
Davos plan is wrong.
Tara na kayo. Mark, kasi taga dito siya. Tama ba?
Ben Mark is wrong. Next up is Dirk. Mahulaan kaya niya?
Sinulat ko yung Alpha Omega kasi ito yung nakasulat, ito yung symbols na nandun sa harap ng simbahan ng biggest rotor.
Alpha Omega is wrong. Sinagwas ka. Dito.
Durian, kasi parang feeling ko, siya ay, palaging nakikita, parang pagkalabas pa lang ng airport, and then parang symbol siya ng Davao, pero siya ay parang obvious in our face, pero hindi naiisip ng ibang players.
Durian is correct. Correct. Which means you get 10 additional pieces.
Yes. Oh. My God. Okay. Thank you. Oh my God. Kinakabahan ako, parang, kanina. Gawa ng feeling ko, ang malas ko sa poker something. Pero, I think, Durian is my key to success. Hindi, gusto sabihin. I think hindi. Parang mas okay bukas na parang magkakasama na lang sila na magkakabila. So, let's surprise them. Oh.
Esta noche bailamos, te doy toda mi vida. Quédate conmigo. Tonight we dance. I'll leave my life in your hands.
Welcome to Camp Pilar Sea of Clouds. Welcome to your third prize match called Paint Me a Picture in the Clouds. Paint Me a Picture in the Clouds. So the remaining players will be shuffled into two teams. The two teams will also be the accommodation division. And I believe meron na tayong two teams na sinelect kagabi. So si JB at si Byron ang nag-select ng team. So we have Carl, Aid, Brian, Roby, Chano versus Byron, Sai, Dirk, Jive, Kyle, and Molen. You're playing for pieces. Okay? So yung leader ng mananalong team will get 2 pieces and then yung members niya ay tigi-tigisa. So Byron and JB, since you're the co-captain, so dapat mas galingan nyo for your team kasi 2 pieces yung makuha nyo. So speaking of pieces, let's recap the pieces. Aid, JB, Robbie, Sai, Dirk, Drive have 1 piece. Si Molen, Byron, Chano, and Carl have 2 pieces. And Kyle, 11 pieces.
Para sa Paint Me a Picture in the Clouds, the 2 competing teams must utilize the wide area of Camp Pilar Sea of Clouds and find those perfect spots to snap 5 photos.
Sorry po.
Popose lang sila to reenact the given scenes. And these are A Typical Day in Heaven, Slasher Movie Poster, A Scene from a Telenovela, A Scene from Hiraya Manawari, and Kama Sutra DVD cover. The photos will be judged by 3 judges. Team with the most number of scene wins will win the prize match. 2 pieces para sa team captain na magiging expedition leader for day 3. 1 piece naman for the other members. And a free lunch. Let's get ready to paint the clouds. Here's the prize match story.
Ito mo ng typical day in. Anong plano natin dito? Feel ko mas kaya natin ano yung slasher. Hindi, ano? Scene. Ano? Hindi sa pamasito. Hindi, ano ba sa... Hindi mo ng iconic scene ay sa telenovela.
Ay, alam ko na. What if si Auntie?
Challenge is paint me a picture in the clouds. So, syempre pamili kami ni JB ng mga team members na, and I feel like with this group naman, kahit sinong piliin mo, lahat naman magko-contribute. And of course, everyone wants to win. So, given naman na yun. Ang maleta si Daniela, ay nakaganon siya.
Wala akong dala.
Okay, ano pa?
Ano pa ba? O sa Dirty Lino?
Pag naisip yung telenovela, anong first thing yung maisip sa isip nyo?
Parang drama, sampalan, mga...
Ayun na lang kay Dick na lang, may isang nakahiga.
May walit sumari,
May isang I think ikaw, Kylie, yun.
Oo,
Sa mahaba buhok mo.
Nakahiga ka. Tapos
Hindi naman nakahiga, yung parang nakaganon lang tapos pero inaano yun. Then tama na lang hila yung buhok.
Hindi dapat live buhok para ano.
Kasi
Okay, ganun na lang.
sa
Tapos,
background may mga nakaganon.
sampalan. May dalawang sampalan. Tapos yung dalawa anong ginagawa? Nagsisibak ng kahoy, ganyan, or something.
Pero medyo pangit siya.
Sige.
Huwag dito yung sa kamay talaga.
Oo, ang pangit na.
Kasi pwede natin magamit yung stairs kasi nandun yung...
Feel ko nakakapag-brainstorm naman. Magulo lang, kailangan mag-focus sa isang ano muna. So feel ko, Evan muna yung focus.
Di ba nandun sa San Pedro? O pukunin ko. Yun ng props eh.
Saan? Ano kukunin mo?
Yung...
Ayun yung leader.
Yeah. Though feel ko dapat ano, like mag-settle muna tayo para...
Boss, please, I need a line. Di dating manalo tayo.
Isipin niyo muna yan. Yung Hirayang Manawari, may naisip na kayo.
May naisip ako doon. Pero ano ba? Ang pinaka-tumatak ko sa akin yung episode ng Hirayang Manawari, yung may ulo siya sa gate. Sa gate siya may ulo.
Ha?
May mukha yung gate at hindi siya nagpapapasok.
Alam niyo yun?
Ayun no, yung pintuan.
Ako feeling ko as a leader, I gave my best to lead the team. I gave 100% focus. I tried my best to give freedom to my teammates para makapag-voice out sila, which I feel like is important.
Pwede ba yung mga maliliit tayo para mga duwende pero malayo yung
malayo yung
tapos
Tapos merong parang fairy.
May mga kabuti-kabuti na lang.
Ay, pwede din. Meron ano
fairy.
May dadaanan ko siya.
May
Manawari na episode na giant siya. Giant siya, tapos may mga tao.
Oh, tapos may isang malaking giant.
Ayan.
Kunwari gaganon.
Oh, gagano.
Okay, yun yung sa'yo na.
Yung... Ayun na yun. Maghuhuga.
Pero lahat eh. Pero lahat eh. Ano ba yun? Poster? Poster ba?
Alam niyo, oo, ganun.
Sa
Talking tape pa ba tayo?
Wala. So yung full day in heaven. Parang, feel ko ay magandang Oo, sige.
Kasi di ba namimili siya kung sino sasagpin doon eh?
Super nag-work yung like teamwork namin, like brains, like churning ideas at that short time, which I expect kasi like ang creative naman talaga ng mga like ng group namin in general. So parang ang bilis maka isip ng mga like mga idea. Day isa yung may flower,
yung nasa lovers.
Okay. Ayoko nga.
Oh, yung maganda yon. Dapat in action.
Habang may nalalaglag, may sampalan.
Pwedeng sa horror film na yung may mahuhulog.
Okay. Hindi mo mamahalan.
Maganda ba dito yon or para hindi ako dito kasi
Sino ako? Kayo na lang ni JP para funny ang nagmamahalan.
Okay.
Pero kung hindi tama, ganun na lang. Magkakubad tayo lahat. Pero nakatikot. Tapos yung mag-shot handle. Alam yung citizen. Yung parang lahat sila, yung parang nakahiga sila sa floor, parang naka-flat.
Pwede naman kasi mga ganito. It doesn't have to be very, like may pair na ganito. May pair nakaupo, tapos naka ng kanto, meron din ganito. Ay, edit blue. Parang hilay. Parang kabayo.
Pero wait lang, kailangan look tayo dito
kasi... Tapos, ganun ka guys.
Para masikip. Ay, yun tayo. Para isang straight tayo.
Pero hindi ako natin modern para. Naka-look up lahat.
Modern tayo.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
No, to be cocky,
I'm
pero
so happy with
yung kabilang group
our
lacks
results.
creativity.
I think mas maganda yung 5 members kasi mas
Less
konti
roles.
isipin mong roles.
Correct. And in a
Sa
scene,
blocking din.
may blocking, may roles ka pang isipin.
Yan na
Kama Sutra.
Yun lang yung film namin eh. So,
Yun yung pinaka may para talaga siyang poster. I love.
tingnan mo, they don't look happy with their yan. Malakas yung masyadong maganda kaya din.
Yes, yes, Pedro and Sheree.
Sheree Valera. Pedro Pendoc and
Baka walang Paki-roll nga. Alam mo, feeling ko, kami, 3 out of 5. Si Kama Sutra. Si horror, slasher film. Super maganda. Tapos yung teleserye.
Pero actually, yun nga yung yun nga yung
Yeah. The goal is di mo siya need-explain.
mamaya sabihin ni Ryan Manaro, ay,
Right?
mukhang Teletubbies yung pinoportray gano'n.
Sino yung mukhang Teletubbies?
Wala, hindi naka-sweater si Dirk, so yun siya. So, kayo na lang mamili.
Okay. So yung mga team ko po mga pademonyo. So, dapat humble lang pag natalo.
Ang judges ay isang office mate ko, si Roxanne.
Parang gusto niya yung Kama Sutra.
Mga katropa kong sa ibang group, sila Nixon.
Nixon.
Record na si Nixon sa boy.
Season ko yung 20.
Alright, the first is Typical Day in Heaven.
Shine, Jesus, shine. Fill this land with the Father's glory. Blaze, Spirit, blaze.
Here are the comments. Sabi ni Nixon, mas feel ko na winner ang JB Group dahil mas ramdam ko lang na nasa heaven ako because of the clouds. Hindi din lahat ay puro heavenly acts yung ginagawa nila. Na-appreciate ko na parang kumakanta si 8 na nandun sa may kamay. Ang peaceful tignan. Ito ang heaven for me. Peaceful at may freedom gawin lahat ng bagay na maganda sa paningin ng iba. Sabi ni Ross, si Brian ba yung nasa photo 1? Kaklase ko yan.
Ay, okay.
Yari ka, JJ Ross. Sabi niya sa elementary kick, valedictoria namin yan.
Anong nangyari?
I think nagpabilit niya sa
Pero ang winner ni Vinci Ross ay ang team ni Brian. Maganda yung composition ng photo nila Byron, pero mas pasok sa team yung photo nila Brian. Sabi ni Roxanne, this JD group, I can see different patron saints. If I'm not mistaken, si John the Baptist, Pedro Alonso,
sabihin mo, don't put words in my mouth.
Yeah, things like that picture. That's
yes, yun talaga yung naisip sa akin.
May angel singing hallelujah and may nakamil na kakaakit lang sa heaven. Si Jesus siguro yung nasa may heart.
Ako yun! Yes! Thank you, Mr. Khan!
So this for me is a typical day in heaven. Kita din kasi yung Sea of Clouds. Congrats, JB Group. Sabi ni Roxanne, excited na excited siya. It's Byron's group for me. Very cinematic yung background as slums of Tondo. Ang title nito ay Akin ang Tondo, Sa'yo ang Cavite. Sabi ni Vinci Ross ay minus point yung Byron group kasi may nagtitigil ng tawa. Sabi ko, sino dyan? Si Sai. Kaso ang weird kasi nung composition ng sa JB's group. So mas feel kong ibigay yung points sa Byron's group. So 1-1. Sabi ni Nixon, wow, mas Hiraya Manawari ito sa akin, pertaining to Byron's group. I remember parang mga alamat yung Hiraya Manawari shows na may fantasy, so kita ko agad yung giant dito na fantasy character. Sabi naman ni Vinci, so 1-0 na si Hiraya Manawari parang mas na-communicate nung team ni Byron yon kasi may trick shot pa. So, 2-1 na, no? Sa inyo na tong Hiraya Manawari, pero pakinggan naman natin si Roxanne. Sabi ni Roxanne, Byron's Group! Tatlong exclamation.
Roxanne, your team.
Very Hiraya Manawari ito, yung higante na story version ng Jack and the Beanstalk na alala ko yan.
Yes.
2-1.
Correct. Tama. Jack and the Beanstalk.
Sabi ni Roxanne, JB's group is very promising. 4 heads and a cock, M2M cover. So 1 point for JB's group sa Kama Sutra. Sabi naman ni Vinci, Beb, walang bias, pero I'm going with JB's group. Kasi it reminds me yung... And of course, sa point na nila to, so 2-2 na. Pero pakinggan naman natin si Nixon. This, very sexy, pertaining to JB's group.
Kasi Kama Sutra pero hindi erot.
Tie na at 2-2 ang dalawang teams. Let's proceed to the tiebreaker round, ang slasher movie poster. Slasher movie from Nixon. Sabi niya, mas feel ko itong kay Byron's group. Lahat may acting scene sa poster na ito na either pumapatay or pinatay. 1-0. Vinci Ross, sabi niya, okay, pareho silang pangit for me.
Sorry!
Pero mas gusto ko yung angle nung kina JB. Mas makatotohanan.
Oh my God,
1-1! This is the deciding vote! Roxanne! Roxanne's verdict.
Roxanne, please. I'm scared kasi I'm close.
I'd give this to this group. Very promising yung lahat ng facial shit nila. Kitang-kita sa frame. Very slashing. Slashing capital letters. I'd give this to JB's group. This is very Cabin in the Woods. Yung sa Byron's group kasi, hindi ko makita yung award-winning face. Tatlo sa kanila is, hindi daw niya kita yung face. So the winner of the prize match is JB's group.
Good job guys, good job.
So JB will get 2 additional pieces. So 3 ka na. And then the others will get 1 piece. And of course, may price kayo free lunch sa Haven Street.
Anyway, it's fine. Yun naman yung prediction ko, close. At binigay naman ng parehong teams yung best nila. And happy na ako to them. Sinabi ni JP confident siya, sabi ko yung confident siya. Kaya it showed naman na super
close, yeah.
Laki ng super yung nanalo rin sa wakas. Like, nanalo kami sa hindi namin ina-expect ng mga categories. Pero like, super collaborative yung team namin.
Durian is correct.
I correctly had the password Durian. Hindi ko lang siya in-overthink. Ayun lang talaga. Because we're in Davao. So, bakit pa ako lalayo, diba? So, Durian na. Actually, what I did, nung nakuha ko yung pieces at yung password, wala akong pinagsabihan. Like, I didn't know what I will do. I mean, hindi ko alam kung how would I deal with it. So, itinulog ko siya. But, nung morning, roommate ko si Chano.
Yung grupo naman nila Molen, Byron, and Kyle started very strong. Nanalo kami ng reward challenge. Combination yun ng mental and physical skills. And hopefully, kaming apat ay makarating sa dulo. And that's the hope, right?
And then, he asked kung nakuha ko daw ba yung password. Ganyan. Hindi ako, umamin ako na, oo sis, nakuha ko yung password, ganyan. And then, sabi niya mag-breakfast lang daw siya. Hindi ako, okay, go. And then after a few minutes, bumaba ako. But guess what? Walang tao sa baba. Walang nagbe-breakfast. So, naisip ko na umakyat siya sa taas. Sa 3rd floor, kina Robby at Jet. I don't know kung tama yung hunch ko, but I just feel it.
And Kyle, 11 pieces.
Oh my God! As someone na intuitive, alam ko na nakuha niya yung password sa prison. Walang sinasabi sa akin yung mga tao, so I only get like information when they announce the number of pieces sa start ng games.
Ang chika, si Kyle ang nakakuha ng 11 pieces from the password. Siyempre, ako, makikibil ako sa kanya. Bigyan mo ko, I'll give you pag nakakuha din ako.
Talo tayo!
So how do you feel, Kyle, na meron ko ng 11 po? Are you confident?
Hindi, naisip niya ako paano i-distribute sa atin.
Kaya nga, inisip ko nga.
Tsaka nag-divert na ba yung target mo?
Wala naman akong target.
Oh! Di ba sabi mo sa false ka?
Anong sa false?
May sinabi mo sa akin kahapon.
Ayan! Pinapasigaw mo si Der!
Bert, hindi ka nagsasalita. Hindi ka makasama sa massage.
Ano nangyari sa prison?
Ano nangyari sa prison ba?
Ano pass?
Very ano ka, Kris Jenner.
Mag-isip ako ng password.
Sa series kasi si Sofia Napit. 10 din yung kay Sofia na nakita din.
Parang na-abduct sila. Durian?
Hindi ko sure.
Mali naman yung sinagot namin.
Bakit hindi pa nga kami nakakailan durian? May durian na.
Pero alam ko, isasagot ko dapat yung durian kagabi kasi nakita ko yung sagot. May sagot doon na
ano ba yung first?
Ang pinakasagot ko is Mike Bermudez.
Ano yung first day? First day clue.
Ang sinabi daw ni Ivan during the first day.
Kasi Molen ang may kasalanan kasi sinabi niya yung durian nung first day.
Pero hindi mo nasagot, Molen?
Hindi naman siya nag-prison.
Hindi ako nag-prison.
Hindi ako nag-prison lang.
Ay, sayang.
Ay, yabang nun, parang sarap i-one chip na lang.
Ang mountainous and breathtaking Maragusan ang central town ng group for the first 3 days. But now, we have to move further and on to the beachy part of Davao. We had our last hurry in Aguacan Cold Spring, fish spa, swimming, coffee, and bonding before saying goodbye to Maragusan. We had a blast.
And yung team na pinili ko that time was Chano, Robby, Carl, and Aid, which specifically picked ko kasi feeling ko like balance yung team, kung strategy-wise man or like trivia or performance, I think kaya ng team. So, ayun, ang nasa isip ko nun when I went in is I want to get the reward because kapag nananalo ka sa mga challenge na ganun, parang may mas masarap yung pagkain. So, yun yung naging motivation ko kasi nung previously hindi ako nanalo ng mga rewards and like stuff like that.
Pagdating sa susunod na taon, super chill ang vibes. In Team JB, the prize match winners were served their free lunch.
Congratulations, winners! Very timely.
na kami nga yung nanalo. So sobrang happy kasi masarap yung pagkain. Yay. And of course, like it pains like I'm not there just to join. I want to win as well. And so happy then na the team really get it together and be very feeling ko naman nag-work kami well. So yeah, so happy.
So, ba't kayo natalo?
Well, sa interpretation nga ng judge, but tsaka it's the small, it's the littlest of things, like food, tapos yung sa Kamasutra, interpretation nga, ba't yun nga? Dapat ka naman no regrets kasi we gave it a man. Close fight din naman since parang like boiled down to like one photo. And we gave all our best and proud din ako sa team.
Pero ano, bakit kami natalo? Ayun nga, siguro hindi ko naman makakontrol yung judge. Lalo na pag wala silang taste. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Pero sabi ko naman kanina, I take full accountability dun sa slasher. Kasi idea ko yung mag-cover ko sa face nung goodie.
Oo, pwede ka naman. Oo, kabo, nakakatapos sa likod kayo. Umalis na kayo, Kyle. Dito kayo sa likod ko. Dito ka tayo. Hindi na kami makikita. Ay, yung phone pa. Wait lang, di na kayo makikita. Parang si Dave ang...
Wait lang, ako i-ano ko kay Kuya Ivan. Basically, yun pala yung hindi nila nagustuhan. So, sabi ko naman na I take accountability. Sana makabawi pa rin kami. And wala akong paki sa kanila. Ako lang. Sana makabawi ako.
Ayun. So, I think nila
I don't know.
Ako for me, ay hindi naman kasalanan ni Jad. Tulad ng sinasabi niya, nagkataon lang na yun yung nilas mo, Ivan.
Hindi nga, no regrets sa ginawa namin yung best and I think, yes, maganda for me yung namin, naging output namin. So, it's battle of the lang talaga. The judges na talaga.
Battle of the brain.
Nakahabol ko lang, dapat kami nanalo sa Kamasutra photo. Kasi yung kabilang team, kasi parang nakahiga lang sa yung Kamasutra poses. Kami, like may naka-backbed, may bali-bali na yung buto.
Hindi nyo makikita
pero walang bumuto sa, ganun yung Kamasutra.
Pakasal ko hero, tsaka
Enjoy lang kayo guys. Later tonight, you will compete in the third main match kung saan a maximum of 2 players can be eliminated.
Intrusive to ah.
Ano sabi ni Carl?
Binangbang daw. Intrusive to.
So, di ba? Ang pinili ko ay si Friday.
Ed, sino pinipili mo? Friday. You accept?
Yes.
Kasi ang plano namin noon, alam namin matatanggal na kami. So we'll take down someone with us.
Oh my God.
Hindi siya positive. Luckily, meron siyang 4 na same suit. So naligtas pa ako. Nagbabalak sana ako na masama ka. So okay na rin. Siya pa rin naman yung unang natanggal. So buti hindi ako nadama. Ay say tanggalin na yung mga nakakairisang tao.
Sino yung mga yan?
Yung mga hindi natin kasama ngayon. I will do everything in my power para matanggal.
Written in these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us in her bones. Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home. parts that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its cage. I know that in the morning now, I see us in the light upon the hill. Although I am broken, my heart is untamed still. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. Fire beneath my feet is burning bright. The way that I've been holding on so tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home. I'll drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broken inside. The story of my life. And I've been waiting for this time to come around. But baby, running after you is like chasing the clouds. The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm, and time is frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broken.